Welcome to Roam Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more app reviews and tech tips. Today, we're diving into the Leap Fitness app, a comprehensive fitness solution designed for everyone from beginners to seasoned athletes. Download links are available in the description below. So, what makes this app stand out in the crowded fitness app market? Let's take a closer look. The Leap Fitness app excels with its incredibly user-friendly interface. Navigating the app and finding workouts tailored to your specific goals, whether it's shedding pounds, building muscle, or improving overall fitness, is a breeze. The intuitive design makes it simple to get started and stay engaged. This versatile app offers personalized workout plans, complete with video demonstrations to ensure you maintain proper form, minimizing the risk of injury and maximizing results. You'll find guided routines for both home and gym workouts, providing flexibility and convenience. The extensive exercise library boasts an impressive range of options, from calming yoga flows to intense high-intensity interval training (HIIT) sessions, ensuring there's something to suit every preference and fitness level. For those who thrive on structure and clear objectives, the Leap Fitness app provides goal-oriented plans, including motivating 30-day challenges. These structured programs adapt to your individual fitness level, ensuring you're appropriately challenged without feeling overwhelmed or understimulated. Progress tracking is seamlessly integrated with the app's built-in analytics. This powerful feature offers detailed insights into your calorie expenditure, workout streaks, and overall performance, empowering you to stay on track and achieve your fitness ambitions. The app goes beyond just workouts, offering holistic health features like hydration reminders, step tracking, and even basic meal planning tips, making it a truly comprehensive fitness companion. While the Leap Fitness app offers a wealth of features for free, upgrading to the premium version unlocks advanced customization options and an ad-free experience. In conclusion, the Leap Fitness app provides a convenient, all-in-one fitness solution. Its clean design, diverse workout selection, and robust tracking capabilities make it a top contender. If you're looking to elevate your fitness journey, give this app a try. Remember to check the description below for download links.